toys that squeak and spin, blocks and balls all packed within. Car 2 has snacks, what a treat, cookies, crackers, fun to eat. Car 3 brings bears, so cuddly and round, waving at us as they bounce around. Car 4 is full of books to share, stories flying through the air. Car 5 has hats, big, small, and tall. Try them on, there's one for all. Choo-choo train, keep rolling through. We've counted 5, now more to do. Count with me, don't miss a beat. This number train can't be beat. Car 6 has paint in every hue, red and yellow, green and blue. Car 7 has music, a singing bird, tapping drums and songs we've heard. Car 8 is bouncing with balls of fun, jumping, rolling one by one. Car 9 has kites that dance so high, floating freely in the sky. Car 10 brings stars to light the night, sparkling, shining, oh so bright. Choo-choo train, we've reached the end. 10 cool cars, now count again. 1 to 10, you've done just fine. Let's ride the number train one more time.